Hi guys! Today we are featuring Tyrant Terminator audits. This guy does some great work, so head over to his channel via the links in the description and give him the credit he deserves. Thanks guys!
Vaccines? Which way? Back here?
You guys can see right here. It says, do not enter patient care area. So, you know, they've been walking around with these infamous signs, TTA family, about the patient care area. So maybe they're talking about this cubicle right here where people give their information, right? Right here. No one's here right now, so yeah, you guys can see.
Hi, sir. How are you?
What did she say?
I didn't hear her.
She was talking to you.
Yeah, but I didn't hear her.
Oh, okay.
So, okay.
What did you say though?
Well, no, nothing yet, but I am. So I don't want to be recorded. So I would appreciate that.
Okay.
The manager's on her way,
Your manager's on the way?
and I'm the assistant administrator.
What's the manager's name?
Ruth.
Ruth? Oh.
Yeah.
She's on the way for what?
She'll be here in a minute.
I know for what? For what reason?
Well, just to be present.
Oh,
Okay.
just to be present?
Okay.
Okay, I guess.
This is patient access area, so I'm not sure why you're here.
Well, you see his public bathrooms right here in the hallway, so that's not true. But anyway, as you guys can see right here, there's all public records on this wall right here. I mean, we walked this entire building. Matter of fact, our last 2 times we were here, we walked this entire building. So
I can give it to you. But you
So
want
those are the instructions. Do you guys have an actual form that we can fill out?
We don't give out forms anymore, sir.
You have to go file it at this location on her.
So okay, so what I'll do then, since you guys don't actually have the form, I'll just put out the requested materials on the back.
Okay.
Give it back to you for a copy. We'll be set for the
You
day.
won't be able to take it. You have to go file it there.
No, ma'am. So I just did 3 of these at other locations, and they accepted them. All you guys have to do is receive it, and I'll be.
instructed to go take it to that specific location listed on there.
Yeah. So that's what I'm trying to tell you. I just did these 3 times here.
Okay.
And I didn't have to do
So
that.
you would have to go to that location to file it. We would.
As
we don't
of
do it here
Monday,
no
you
more.
have to go to that location.
No, man. We're talking about state law. The state law says I can do it here. So I mean, if you guys are going to violate the state law, that's another thing. But we'll see. So, I mean, you smiling and you're very unprofessional, but it is what it is.
Hey, how's it going? All right? I'm doing well. Someone called please?
Yeah.
What's going on?
I did for the manager. Basically, we have a policy, no recording, no video, no
Okay.
audio. Of course, he's been recording. He
Okay.
listed all of the.
How you doing, sir?
How you doing? Pretty good, officer. Pretty good. Been here 2 times already in the last year. Spoke to the main manager.
Okay.
You guys were dispatched out here. The last 2 times, officers came and educated what we were doing was constitutionally protected, and we was
Yeah.
good to go.
Yeah. Okay, but this is this is
public building, but this is
it's
not
a public
public
building,
space.
but
Correct.
it's a medical facility.
That's correct.
So,
it's
yeah, so-
been that way since, like I say, even the last 2
Yeah,
times.
and since
It was a publicly
registration and stuff is
facility
here-
and medical facility as well. The last time I was
so
here.
there-
Yeah.
so
What does that mean?
Beside recording, what are you here to see a doctor?
No, so I'm filling out a FOIA as well. Both of those are rights that are guaranteed
Yeah,
to
yeah,
us.
for you. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm aware of it.
Okay.
And I'm aware, of the situation.
Yeah, like I said, once
but
I'm
they
do-
don't- but they don't take care of FOIA requests here. You got to go through the proper channels for the FOIA. Just
Well-
like the city, like the police, like you can go into a station, and we don't do FOIA requests. That's something that 35th at headquarters does.
Right, so how the state law is wrote in terms of FOIA, you can submit one
Yeah.
at any public entity.
Yes.
And then they will have to forward it to their public information
So
officer.
are you doing that? Or
Yeah, I'm writing it down. Just wanted to speak with you and have a dialogue because I was just doing
okay.
it.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, but
Well,
once I'm done with this, I'm out of here.
Right now,
Also, as of Monday, that policy changed. They are now, we gave him the instructions on how he is to submit the FOIA starting of Monday.
But that's just the policy. We talking about state law.
Yeah.
No policy supersedes
okay,
the
I
law.
know, but what they're saying is that whatever it is, that,
Right.
that like you could submit it here.
Right.
Not sure if it's going to get to them or not.
Yeah, maybe
And
not.
That I have no idea.
Maybe not.
But they're trying to direct you in order to how to get that proper FOIA request. You know. what
I understand, but I'm
And
just
so-
telling them state law, we can submit it one right
And
here.
so
If
right
they accept
now,
it, then
if
it's
you're
not.
doing that,
Yeah.
then I ask that you do that and
Definitely
stop
so.
recording, because right now, like this is, if someone comes in to register, they're
Right.
seeking medical assistance. you know, they're allowed the privacy.
Well, Supreme Court has already ruled there's no privacy in public. That's why they can record and we can't. You understand? It's the same area.
I get what you're saying.
Just a common area.
Yeah, but right now right now you're not here you're just standing here and then you're just recording.
Yeah.
If you want to record right out the door all day long?
No. So again, I'm here for two things: to exercise my First Amendment right, and the second thing is a FOIA.
Yeah.
Both of those are rights.
Are you filling out the FOIA?
I just told you I was. I just told you.
No, I know, but so go ahead and finish whatever.
Yeah, and I have a right to document it as well, officer.
Yeah, for sure.
I just don't want my rights infringed.
So, yeah,
Are you filling this
correct?
out?
Yeah.
No, I'm actually good. I'm gone. I'm done.
So he is leaving. He is leaving.
I didn't know.
What they're telling me is the policy changed now.
In terms of FOIA.
You can request FOIA,
Okay.
but they can't accept it here. Right.
Well,
So the point is, there's no sense in staying here and requesting here because they can't accept it.
Well, that's just it. So, because like I was telling Sergeant Ramos, we're talking about a policy, and then we're talking about the actual law. So the FOIA law says you can submit it at any public entity. Their policy don't supersede that. You do know that.
But when you're now you're coming in here recording patients, giving personal information. There's a difference between that.
You can do that. There's no law against that.
You cannot record people's personal medical information.
If you intentionally are trying to record someone's information and do something nefarious with it, that becomes illegal. But to simply just capture it, that's nothing illegal about that.
You can't do that.
That's why they're recording it.
Right there, you can't record.
That's a sign. You see no statute, though, right?
Right.
So that means no laws are being broken.
So other than you, okay, here's a question. Other
Okay.
than you filling out a FOIA, which they no longer accept here,
Well,
they're telling you they don't accept
Well,
it.
that's them. I know I have a right to submit one. That's my thing.
You can submit one,
Right.
but you can't do it here. They're telling you they can't accept it.
I just did. The young lady just accepted it.
Well, I don't know what they're going to do with it. They said as far as Monday, they can't accept it here anymore.
She just did. She just gave me a copy and everything.
What she told me she gave you is instructions how to do it.
No, let me show you.
What'd she give you?
She gave me. So we filled out our foot. We filled out.
I'll check it out. But
Yeah.
other than a FOIA, what business do you have here?
Oh, I'm actually done. I'm just shocked to see you guys still on.
So that was it.
Yeah.
So, I'm sorry.
Can I see that form?
Oh yeah, that's the
they gave
FOIA request. She just copied it for me, so that's her accepting it.
So they're saying this is, they do the healthcare here. Like I
Right.
said, we talked about recording.
Right.
You're not allowed to go back there unless you're receiving medical treatment, unless someone
Of
brings
course,
you back
someone
there.
in the room or in a
Yeah,
restricted
yeah,
area.
yeah.
Of course,
Correct,
of course. That's why we
correct.
stay in the lobby.
Yeah. But I'm just saying. So they're going to take their information. Bye-bye. Can we have your information, please?
No, I'd rather not. I'd rather remain anonymous today.
Okay.
Yeah, I'd just rather. I have a right. I have a Fourth Amendment right to
That's
remain.
fine. They're going to document. They'll document everything down on paper. I think they have your name from previous incidents.
Yeah, obviously they do.
Okay.
But I mean, so they basically said they don't want me back here.
Exactly.
I mean, that's just a wish, though.
Whatever it is, however it is, we're middle people.
Y'all just conveying what they said.
We're conveying the information.
Okay.
Now, whatever it is, whatever the case may be, if you arrive on this property, or if they get a summons, or I don't know, whatever the case may be,
Right.
Then it'll be taken care of then.
Right, but as of right now.
Right now you're leaving.
Right,
Right
and
now,
I'm not
we're
trespassed
telling
from
you-
Chicago PD, am I?
Yeah, we're telling you right now that they don't
you have
want
no
you
other
back
business
here.
here, you're telling
Yeah,
us,
you
right?
have no business. Yeah.
Today. But I'm saying I'm not trespassed, though. We need to deal with that.
I don't know what their policy is. You may be trespassed by
Well, they
Cook
asked
County.
you to leave.
Well, you can't. You can't, though. You can't, because the law says you can't. You'll be violating my rights.
No,
See, I know y'all. See, look, I know officers really don't really trip about the violation of rights because y'all got qualified immunity. But that doesn't shield you if you still violate rights that are clearly established. I've been through this.
Listen.
I'm telling
Right
you,
now
man.
you're leaving? Correct.
Yeah,
You're not.
I was just
But
shocked to
if
see you
you
guys
were-
still here.
no, okay, like for instance, you're here. Mm-hmm. They ask you to leave. Hey,
Right.
they don't service that. They don't do that public record here.
Oh,
You
you're
gotta
talking
go
about the
there.
near future.
They tell you to leave. They tell you to leave.
Right.
You refuse to leave. They call the police. We show up.
Right.
You know what I mean? Like
Right.
you refuse to leave several times.
Okay.
I'm not saying you did. I'm
Right,
just saying.
right. You said if
in
it
instance-
happened, if it happens.
Right, correct.
Right.
And so you refuse to leave, that's trespassing, right? Because they're asking you to leave. Now, whether public, that's going to be deciphered by the court. That's going to go in the court's hands to be. They're going to figure that out. They're going to figure all that stuff out.
Well, let me just say this, Sergeant Ramos, right?
Yes, sir.
Let me just say this. So, in terms of trespass,
Yes.
I mean, you guys are law enforcement, respectfully.
Correct.
So, if you guys enforce the law, you would see in the Illinois state statute,
Yeah.
720 ILCS 521-3
Okay.
says that no police officer can trespass anyone from a public building during normal business hours.
Okay.
If it was a private place, of course. But this is public.
Okay.
No, I'm just saying that's the law. So even if you guys do get dispatched out,
Okay.
and someone say we want them to leave, they can't ask me to leave.
Okay.
Unless I'm breaking the law.
All right.
So now I definitely got to come back now just because of that reason. Okay. So.
All right.
And what's your name, badge number, officer? I didn't get it, sir.
Oscar Martinez, star number 11843.
Appreciate it, man. I meant to get that officer there. Oh, that's your partner?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So yeah, man, I was just shocked to see you guys still here, man. I didn't even know. I would have hung out in there for a little bit more.
All right.
But I mean, I'm done. I ain't gonna push the envelope, but I'm definitely gonna come back.
All right. Take care.
All right, is your body cam on?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I just want to make sure because I'm gonna go request that.
Yeah.
All right. For sure.
Sounds good.
Thanks for watching, guys, and be sure to check out the links in the description. Also, please get subscribed to our channel, like, and leave a comment. It all helps, and we really appreciate it. Thanks, guys.